All right, guys, a very exciting day for us on the homestead here. We got our very first egg today.
Oh, be careful, they may come out.
Okay, these are ceramic eggs. But this little guy is not a ceramic egg. This is the first one. It's one of the Rhode Island Reds, because they lay brown eggs. The Blue Andalusians lay white eggs. So this is her very first egg, so it's pretty small, but I'm really excited about it. All right, guys, I'm in my kitchen. We're going to do a little egg comparison here between the store-bought organics and the egg I picked up last night. This morning I checked and there was another little egg. I don't know if it's the same hen, but it's definitely one of the Rhode Island Reds because it's a brown egg. So let me bring you in close here and show you what we got. Alright guys, so as you can see here, there's a huge difference in size. And the main reason for that is because these are the first eggs that they've laid. Their insides haven't matured fully yet, and the eggs will eventually get big like those. But my main concern is the color of the yolk and the taste, of course. We have been feeding them a lot of greens from around the property, a lot of clover, curly dock, scraps from the kitchen, vegetable scraps. So I'm hoping the yolks are at least a deep yellow or an orangey color compared to the store-bought. I know nutrition-wise, these are going to be better, our eggs, because I know what I feed them. I feed them organic feed, and again, greens from around the yard and scraps from the kitchen. All right, so let's check out their yolks and see what they look like. All right, first we're going to get the store-bought egg. Let's see, let's do it here. Alright, now we're going to try our little egg. This is the one from last night. Is that cute or what? Alright, we're going to try this little guy. Oh, it's got more yellow. Yeah, it's definitely more yellow, and big difference there. Big difference. Let me bring you in close. Alright, as you can see, the one on the right is our egg, and it's got a more yellow or orangey color to it than the store-bought one on the left. That's because of what we feed them. If you feed them more greens, we feed them a lot of clover, dandelion, curly dock. Those are the weeds from around our properties. They're going to get a higher mineral content, and that form of mineral is better absorbed in the body than your calcium carbonates, your seashells, crushed seashells. That form is not absorbable hardly at all. The structure of the molecule is different, or it's too big, or it's too hard for the body to absorb. When it's in a plant form, it's more absorbable. So, as you can see, the color is much better. Alright guys, so we are going to crack this other one open here. This other little bit. This one I've got this morning. And the shell is fairly hard too. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. With a cute little shell. Alright, so let's scramble this up. So we're going to put a little salt, some pepper. That's the way I usually make my eggs. And I'm going to scramble this up. Wow, look at how deep yellow and orangey that is. That is awesome. All right. So let's put this in a pan and cook it up. Alright guys, I put a little coconut oil in there because that's what we normally like to use, or olive oil. It's really good. If you haven't tried it, try it. So now we're going to put our eggs in here. Maybe we'll make, rather than scrambled, like just like an omelet kind of deal, just to taste it. Tell you what, I've been waiting for this for a long time. Since we got those hens, I was like, boy, I can't wait to taste our eggs. I don't want to overcook them, so they'll start losing their flavor. So that should pretty much do it right there. Alright, so let's get this on the plate. Alright guys, I'm about to taste my first egg from our hens, and let's see what it's like. That's what I'm talking about.
Very rich tasting.
Yeah, it's more flavorful. Mm-hmm. Oh, you want some too, huh, Tobe? That is awesome. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm looking forward to more eggs, especially as they start increasing in size. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Guys, get some chickens. Raise your own chickens, whether it's for the eggs or for meat or whatever. Start eating right, and eat organic, the way it's supposed to be. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.